Jaimee, and today we're going to be making vanilla cupcakes with buttercream frosting. So first you're going to need to wash your hands. I already did that, so I'm just going to get on with the video. First you're going to need 2 cups of flour. Sorry, 2.5 cups of flour. And then you're going to need 2 cups of sugar. And then you're going to need 3 teaspoons of baking powder. Next, you're going to add a pinch of salt. Okay, so next you're going to stir it. After stirring, you're going to put the bowl to the side. Now you're going to need a medium bowl, and you're going to add the wet ingredients. Okay, let's start with the milk. So you need 1 cup. And then you're going to add half a cup of vegetable oil. I use canola. After adding the canola oil, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of vanilla to give the cupcakes that nice vanilla taste. And then I'm going to add 2 eggs at room temperature. Before adding the water, I'm going to mix the already added wet ingredients. Next, we're going to add the wet ingredients except for the water to the dry ingredients. After adding the wet ingredients, you're going to stir them with a wooden spoon. I'd say that this looks pretty stirred. And finally, we're going to beat in the water to make sure it's fully combined. We need 1 cup of water. Finally, stir until it is thoroughly mixed and looks quite liquidy. I just finished cleaning the kitchen. I poured the batter into this so it's easier to pour, and I'm about to grease the pans. Okay, so I'm done greasing the pans. Now we're going to pour the cupcake batter into it. We're going to pour it about 3/4 of the way up. Now we're going to put these into the oven. So now we're going to wait for them to bake for 15 to 17 minutes. After waiting 15 minutes, it's finally time to check on the cupcakes. Ooh, they look so yummy. We're going to check the cupcakes to see if they're fully cooked. We're going to use a toothpick and we're going to prick it. If it comes out wet, that means they're not fully cooked. If it comes out dry, that means they're fully cooked. Looks like they're fully cooked. Now we're going to leave them in here for 2 minutes. Then we're going to transfer them to the rack for the rest of the cooling time. It's been 2 minutes, and now we're going to transfer them to the cooling rack using a fork. So now we're moving on to the buttercream. You're going to need something to make it in: a measuring cup, which is a cup, vanilla, icing sugar, milk, and softened butter. So first you're going to use the vanilla. Well, first you're going to use the icing sugar and add 2 cups. You can double the recipe depending on how much icing you want. So next, you're going to add the 1/2 cup of butter, of softened butter, and the 1 tablespoon of milk, and a splash of vanilla. Now let's mix it. Don't have it on too high of a speed, otherwise the icing sugar will fly up at you. As I was mixing, I realized there wasn't enough milk, so I added just a little bit more. This looks pretty well mixed. I'm just going to scrape down the edges with a spatula. And you're going to scrape down the sides. Okay, so now you're going to put it in something to pipe onto the cupcakes. I have this. I got it from Michael's craft store, and I found it really handy. So now I'm icing my first cupcake. I'm using a star tip thing so that I can get the design that I want. I'm going to do the classic swirl. That's my first cupcake. It then looks pretty sweet. I'm going to add sprinkles just because I love sprinkles. So this is the final product. Pretty cute. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, give us a big thumbs up, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching. Bye.